When Subhash Ghai graduated from FTII and completed his 4-year acting career, he wrote 6 stories for 6 top directors of Hindi cinema. He directed his first 2 films based on his own scripts, Kali Charan 1976 and Vishwanath 1977, both of which became blockbusters. In 1978, he decided to produce and direct a film under his own banner, Mukta Films, with his original superscript for Qarz.
एक हसीना थी, एक दीवाना था.
Qarz still vibrates with 4th generation of Indian cinema. Its visual storytelling, unique plot, memorable characters, and outstanding performances made Qarz one of the most iconic films in Indian cinema. Subhash Ghai took a significant risk by making a film ahead of its time. But Qarz became cult movie till date. Mukta Arts became a prestigious and respected banner in mainstream Indian cinema. The credit goes to music duo Lakshmikant Pyarelal, who faced the challenge of composing modern, everlasting music in the 1980s. Lyricist Anand Bakshi, who skillfully narrated a reincarnation story through various situations and characters. Screenplay writer Sachin Bhaumik, who masterfully crafted the film's gripping twists and turns in screenplay of Qarz. Renowned author and writer Dr. Rahi Masoom Raza, who was responsible for the film's powerful and profound dialogues.
आप मुझे ऐसा मत कहिए साहब जी, आप मुझे ऐसा मत कहिए. मेरी गरीबी पे तमाचा मत मारिए साहब जी.
तो फिर तुम कहती क्यों नहीं कि तुम शांता प्रसाद वर्मा की बेटी हो?
मर गया शांता प्रसाद, मर गया वर्मा परवा. मेरा उससे कोई नाता नहीं है.
Cinematographer Kamalakar Rao, who experimented extensively with shots despite the lack of visual effects facilities at that time. Veteran editors Vaman Guru, who applied their exceptional editing skills to enhance the film's complex narrative and bring Subhash Ghai's vision to life. The everlasting theme music featuring the haunting guitar composition by Pyarelal and played by his guitarist Gorakhnath Sharma. Cinema audiences will always remember the remarkable performances of all characters of Qarz. Rishi Kapoor as the protagonist, Simi Garewal as Kamini, Pran as Kabira, Prem Nath as Sir Juda, Tina Munim as Tina, and Raj Kiran as Raj. Upon its release on June 27, 1980, Qarz received applause from both critics and city audiences and still stays with audience on every platform. Its music remains haunting, cementing its status as a cult classic of Indian cinema.